we are going to learn about least common multiple. In short, we call it as LC. LCF we have done. Now we are learning about LCM. Okay. Let us read about the common multiples of 2. How we find? First we will find common multiples and then we will find the least common multiple. Now let us go through this example. Two bells ring at an interval of 5 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. They rang together at 12 noon. When will they ring again? Rang together. Okay. When will they again rang together? We have to find it out. Okay. Now the first bell will ring on or after. That means a gap of interval of 5 minutes is given. That means first bell will ring after every 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. Okay. Minutes. Second bell will ring on or after 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. This many minutes. Now for first bell multiples of 5. That means what are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. For second bell, multiples of 10 are there. That means the bell will ring after every 10 minutes. That is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Now we are going to find the common multiples of 5 and 10. What are the common multiples? See the numbers which I have encircled. That means 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the common multiples of 5 and 10. Okay. And that means the both bells will ring together after 10 minutes. Then after 20 minutes. Then after 30 minutes. Then after 40 minutes and so on. Okay. From this we conclude what is the least common multiple? Which is the least among these multiples? Which is the least common multiple? Least common multiple is 10. And thus we conclude that if the bell rang together at 12 noon, the next time they will rang together at will be after 10 minutes, that is 12:10 p.m. Okay. In this way we are going to, that means in this example we have to find the least. First we will find the common multiples, then we have to find the least common multiple. Thus we define LCM as LCM of two numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by both the numbers without leaving a remainder. Once again you go through LCM of two numbers. How can we define? We define it as LCM of two numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by both the numbers without leaving a remainder. Now different methods to calculate LCM of two or more numbers are. There are three methods of finding the LCM. LCM by listing the multiples, LCM by prime factorization and LCM by short division method. And one by one I will explain you how to find LCM by listing the multiples, how to find LCM by prime factorization and how to find LCM by short division method. Okay. So now first we will discuss about how to find LCM by listing the multiples. In this method what we do, for example, the question is find the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. What we do is in this, by listing the multiples method, we write the multiples of each number. For example, first I will write multiples of 10. What are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. Okay. You can write. Then we write the multiples of 15. We write multiples of 15. What are the multiples of 15? 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90 and so on. Okay. Then we will write multiples of 20. Then we write multiples of 20. What are the multiples of 20? 20, 40, 23 60, 20 80, 100 and so on. Okay. Now we will find common multiples of, then we are going to find common multiples of 10, 15, 20. What are the common multiples of 10, 15 and 20? Let us encircle it. Common multiples are, see, it should be common to every number. So 20 is common in 10 and 20 but it's not common in 15. So if I go through, if 30 is common in 10 and 15 but it's not common in this one, multiples of 20. So the common I found is 60. 60 is present in 10, 60 is present in 15 and 60 is present in 20. Is there any number which is less than 60 and is a common multiple of 10, 15 and 20? No. And if I proceed in this way, I think the next common number will be 15 6 are 90, 15 7 are 130, 105 and 15 8 are is 120. Okay. And here if I proceed, it will be 120 here. And if I proceed, 10 6 are 60, 10 7 are 70, 10 8 are 80, 10 9 are 90, 10 10 are 100, 10 11 are 110, and then it will be 120 and so on. The next common multiple would have been 120. Okay. So the common multiples, if I have to find, at least two if I write, it will be 60, 120 and so on. Now out of these common multiples, which is the least common multiple? That is the smallest number which is divisible by 10, 15 and 20. What is the least common multiple? Yes, least common multiple is 60. So this is one method of finding the LCM by listing the multiple methods. But there are other methods also, and if after seeing those methods you will feel that it is much easier to find by other methods. Now let us see other methods also. Now next method is LCM by prime factorization. Now how to find LCM by this method? So same question I am taking. Find the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. First I have found it by listing the multiples. Now I would be finding by prime factorization. Prime factorization we have learnt in HCF also. Prime factorization means expressing a number into its prime factors. Okay. So for this, what I will do, prime factorization of each and every number. That means, for example, 10. Okay. Do divide it by the least prime number, that is 2. What it will be? 2 5s are 10. Since 5 is a prime number, it is divisible by its own, that means 5. And I divide it till I get 1 here. Okay. Next, what I am going to do is, I will find prime factorization of 15. If I do, I get 3 5s are, then I get 5 1s are. Okay. Next, I will find prime factorization of 20. Now, when I do it by 2. So I got 2 10s are 20. Then again I will divide. I will get 5 here. Then since it's a prime number, so I got in this way. That means 10 is equal to 2 into 5. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. And 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Now lies the difference between finding HCF and LCM. In HCF also we did prime factorization, and what we used to do? We used to do the product of common factors. Now in this, what we are going to do is, we will see how many prime numbers are there. Here the prime numbers which I found in all the numbers is 2, 5 and 3. Okay. 3 is there not in 20 but it is there in 15. So whatever prime numbers are there, okay. So the product of this one prime numbers, okay. Even if it comes for one number, we are going to consider. That means 2 is there in 10, 2 is not there in 50, and which is maximum number of time 2 is coming? It is coming 2 times. So we will consider 2 into 2. Okay. 3 is coming. Here 3 is not there. Here it is. Here it has came 1 time, and here no 3 is there. But then also a maximum number of time 3 is coming in any of the numbers is 1. So we will write it. Now 5 is common in all the 10, 15 and 20, and the maximum number of times it came is only once. So we will multiply by 5. Okay. Now what it came? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. I got 60 in the first method. By first method also I got 60, and if I find by prime factorization method I got 60. Now in this method again I am telling what we have to do is, whatever prime factors are coming in all the 3 numbers, we will find its product. Plus, if any of the prime factor is, and we have to find the maximum times that prime factor came. For example, here it came 1 time, here 2 is not there, here it is 2 times we are having 2. That means the maximum number of times it came twice. So we will consider twice. Now 3. 3 was not, we didn't get, there is no prime factor of 3 when we found out 10. Then 3 is there in when we find prime factorization of 15, we got 3. Here we are not getting 3. So once it appeared, so we will take this prime factor 3 once. Then see 5. 5 is there in 10 also, 5 is there in 15 also, and here also 5. So 1, and maximum number of time it came is once, so we'll multiply it by multiply once. So, and when we found the product, what we got? We got 60. So this is the LCM of 10, 15 and 20 by prime factorization. One more example I am going to solve. For example, if you have to find LCM of 8, 12 and 30. 8, 12 and 30 by prime factorization, then how we are going to do? In the same way, first I will find the prime factorization of each and every number. First we will find prime factorization of each and every number. That means 8 का prime factorization निकालेंगे. Then I will find prime factorization of 12, and then I will find prime factorization of 30. Now when I found, I got 2 4s are, then I got 2 2s are, and then I got 2 1s are. Okay, that means 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, then I found prime factorization of 12, 2 6s are, then 2 3s are, then 3 will not go, it will go by 3 itself, 1s are. Okay, now I will find prime factorization of 30, 2 15s are, now it will go by 3 5s are, now 5 1s are. Okay, that means prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, and prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, now we have to find LCM. Now, what are the different prime factors which came in all the three numbers? The prime factors are 2, 3 and 5. Then we will find maximum number of times. 2 इधर पे maximum number of times is 3 times it occurred. Here it came twice and here it came once. तो maximum number कितने बार आया है? 3 बार आया है. So we will take all the मतलब maximum number of time 2 कितने बार आया है, that we are going to consider. उसके बाद कौन सा प्राइम नंबर आया है? 3 आया है यहाँ पे 12 में और 30 में, इधर एक बार भी नहीं है, बट सिंस इट एनी वन ऑफ द नंबर्स इसमें प्राइम फैक्टर है, सो वी विल कंसिडर राइट 3. देन 5 is present, not present here. 5 is not a prime factor of 12, but 5 is a prime factor of 30, and maximum number of time it occurred is once. So we are going to find the product of all these prime factors. Now what is the product? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are, yes 24 5s are, 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, it came 120. So the least common multiple of 8, 12 and 30 is 120. That is 120 is the number which is least number which is divisible by 8, 12 and 30. Okay. In this way we do LCM by prime factorization. Now next is LCM by short division method. How to find LCM by short division method? For example, find the LCM of 36 and 24. Here what we do is, in this method we will write 36 comma 24 in this manner. Okay, and we divide by the common factor. Now the common factor is 2 18s are, start with the least prime number, then we find 2 12s are. Okay, then it will go by again by 2. Okay, 2 9s are, 2 6s are. Now 9 and 6 will go through prime factor, the next prime factor, which is 3. 3 3s are, 3 2s are. Okay, now there are two ways. Either you leave it here, that means if you will leave it here, we will find LCM in this way, because 3 and 2 are not divisible by any common factor, common prime factor. Either you multiply by the this product of the common factors, that is 2 into 2 into 3, and the leftover the remaining numbers. And what I got? Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 2s are 70. So what I got here LCM? I got LCM as 72. One method is this way, but I suggest you do by another method. That means you divide it till you get 1 here. That means even if it is you have to divide it by the least prime numbers. For example, if I divide it by 3, I make it 1, then I make it as 2, even if it gets divisible by any one of the factors. And here 2, if I divide it by 2, 1s are 1s are. if you and make sure that at the last you will get 1 comma 1. And then what will be the LCM? LCM is the product of these factors, that means 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are is 72. Okay, I suggest you do by this method, because if you do by this way, you will not find any mistake, or you will not get confused. Okay, for example, one more example I am taking. Find the LCM of 27, 54, 27, 54 and 90. Suppose you have to find the LCM of these three numbers. Then how we proceed? First, what we are going to do is, first we will write the numbers in this way. That means 27, 54, 90. Okay. Then we divide by the common prime factor. Okay. So start with the least prime number. You can see that 2 can't divide 27, but 2 divides 54 and 2 will divide 90. So even if it divides 2 number, I will start with 2, and 2 can't divide 27, so I will write 27 as it is. Okay. Then 54, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Then 2 45s are. Got it? Okay. Now this will get, all the 3 will be divisible by 3. Okay. 3 9s are, 3 9s are, 3 15s are. Will it go? Again it will go by 3. 3 3s are, 3 3s are, and 3 5s are. Okay. So one method is that you multiply 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. And another method is, you can do it in this way. I am using the other green pen. If you do it by 3, it comes 1 comma 1 and write 5 as it is. Okay. Then you divide it by 5, and what you got? 1 comma 1 comma 1. And then you do LCM. And what we get? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now 18 3s are is 54. 54 5s are. What it can? 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 27. And I got LCM as 270. That means 270 is the least number which is divisible by 27, 54 and 90. Okay, and make it 1 here. Even if it is divisible by one of the factors, you make it that and divide it by only prime numbers. Okay, and you proceed in this way such that we get 1 here. Okay, and always divide by the prime factors. Any other example you want? Shall I solve? Now if I have to find the LCM of 10, 15 and 18. Another number I am showing. LCM of 10, 15 and 18. If I have to find. Now is there any common number which divides all the three, 10, 15 and 18? 2 divides 10 and 18 but doesn't divide 15. Okay. Then 3 divides, for example here, 10, 15, 18 is there. Okay. 2 divides 10 and 18 but doesn't divide 15. 3 divides 15 and 18 but doesn't divide 10. Then I will select only, even if it is divisible, divides 2 numbers, I will consider that factor. 2 5s are 10. 15 I write it इसको as it is लिख दोगे. ये divide नहीं करता. Then 2 9s are 18. Then I divide it by 5 and 15 get divisible by, or 15 and I start with the next prime number 3. 5 I write it as it is. 3 5s are, then I write 3 3s are 9. Now what I do, again I divide it by 3. Okay, so that it becomes 1 here. 5 comma 5 I write it as it is, and here I write 1. Then I divide it by 5, and what I got is 1 comma 1 comma 1. So ये last में 1 1 1 आ गया. Now what is the LCM here? LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are is 90. So 90 is the LCM. So you do in this way that सबसे नीचे में सब में 1 आ जाएगा. Then you multiply the product of these factors, है ना? You multiply and find the LCM. Okay. I will send you some the question number of exercise 4.4 question 1 2 3 as PDF, some of selected sums. you do in your classwork copy, and best of luck for your periodic test.